everyone! Today we are going to tour you around in the famous Campuestohan Highland Resort. This resort is a perfect place for family bonding, a perfect getaway for those who have childlike heart and for nature lover. Children love this resort because of its creative and colorful atmosphere. And now, let us explore the beauty of Campuestohan Highland Resort. In front of the pool, you can see the cottages where family and friends can rest and eat together. That big wooden house up there is the food court of the resort. Now, to see the wonderful view that the Campuestohan has, let us go to the hanging bridge. The view up here is super amazing, and the air is super cold and very refreshing. This bridge we can see the wonderful view of nature. And you can also see here the view of the Campuestohan Resort. If you visit this place, don't forget to bring your camera because this is #Instagrammable. Now let's go down and explore more. Did you know that these dinosaurs are the tallest dinosaur in Asia? Do you know what kind of dinosaur that is? Comment down below and like and subscribe our video. My mom would absolutely love this place because of the plants. She is a certified plant tita. How about you? Are you also a #plant tita? Look at these dinosaurs. They are so big and they look so real and real. As you can see, they are still ongoing with the beautification of this resort. Well, we do hope for a more beautiful and more wonderful Campuestohan in the next years. That house up there is said to be the rest house of the owner of this resort. Just imagine living in the house up here. It is so much fun living in this environment and also so relaxing.
Oh, that's great.
If you want to stay fit while having fun, this resort also has its own outdoor gym for you to try. The entrance fee for the Campuestohan Highland Resort is only 200 pesos per head. It already includes the swimming pool fee. Shout out to our amazing supporters. Thank you for always watching and liking our video. For those who haven't subscribed yet, subscribe now! and be mesmerized by the beauty of our videos. Now we are passing through the Tunnel of Love. Can you feel the Jurassic Park vibes in here, guys? Because I do. Now we've arrived in the Bonita Huts, where your family and friends can stay overnight. They are so creative in making these overnight rooms. It is very peaceful in here and very serene. It feels like you're in England. You will never thought that those deers aren't true. Comment down below if you also want to spend your day here. Right here we can see the Campuestohan's Dino Park. They are still in the process of building it. Do you like dinosaurs? What type of dinosaur is your favorite? Mine is Dinosaurus. For your information, those dinosaurs are moving, but unfortunately, the Dino Park is still under renovation. Here's a playground perfect for children. Place has a lot of playground, and it is perfect because your kids will have lots of fun. It really brings back my childhood memories whenever I see those Kung Fu Panda characters. Who is your favorite character of them all? Mine is Mantis. He is an example that even if you are small, it doesn't mean that you are not strong. Imagine if this bear is a gummy bear. Would you eat it? Because I would. Look, more love hearts. Let us just keep walking until we reach the top of it. How about you guys? What are your thoughts on Campuestohan? Is it beautiful? Is it worth the price? Let me know in the comments below. Here is the famous King Kong of the resort. When I was still a child, I would climb all the way up to King Kong's hand and take a photo with him. This resort offers various activities, like this rope course. They also have zip line, horseback riding, hamster cage, and many more. So how do you get to Campuestohan Highland Resort? By jeepney, you will go from Bacolod and ride a jeepney going to Burgos Market. Then transfer to another jeepney from Burgos Market and alight at Alanginan Terminal. From the terminal, take the tricycle going to Campuestohan Highland Resort. And by shuttle, you can also catch Campuestohan shuttle services. The pickup and drop-off point is at iMart convenience store. Take note that all their units have Campuestohan logo in it. If you're asking what is the best time to go to Campuestohan Highland Resort, they are open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. for the daylight activities. You can enjoy the beauty of Campuestohan no matter what time of year. This resort has a cool weather because it is located on the highland. Look at this girl. She is comparing the size of her hands to Michael Jordan's. Side of me, you can see the Vikings. Have you ever tried riding in the Vikings? Did you experience the mini heart attack like I did? If not, then you are a fearless person. Here is another playground for the kids. For pet lovers out there, I am sorry to say, but bringing pets is highly discouraged in this resort. And if you're wondering if you could bring outside food, well, yes, you are free to bring outside food provided that you'll be staying among picnic cottages. The core cage fee only applies once you bring outside food into their pavilion restaurant. Before pandemic arrives, many tourists go to this resort, where they enjoy the stress-free and mask-free environment. Any thoughts of the pandemic? Comment down below. Now back to our tour. It's kinda gnarly being under the tentacles of the octopus. Wow, what a big shark! Fun fact, the biggest shark in the world is called Megalodon. Do you think they still exist? Comment down below. We are going to the most exciting feature of Campuestohan, the wave pool, where you ride the waves in a 4-lane wave pool. Feels like you're in American Ninja Warrior. It is kinda sad that the wave pool is still closed. But I'll just show you what the wave pool looks like. And hopefully, someday, you can experience it too. That's it for today, guys. Hope you liked our video tour on Campuestohan Highlands Resort. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Comment down your suggestions on where to go next. Stay safe. Don't forget to wear your mask and sanitize your hands. Love you, mwah!